Pembury Lifestyle Group is recently listed on the JSE and aims to have 40 schools by 2020. Market cap here of 233.5 million rand. Currently not profitable, pays no dividends. So the new boy on the block.
Absolutely. The CEO is Andrew McLaughlin, and in fact the deal here, you alluded to it, is that he owned some retirement complexes. So they got an external valuer in, and those are going to be acquired into the group. So by lifestyle, they mean little kids and old people.
Yes, yeah.
Quite a very underserviced market. I must say, I got very excited. That's why I jumped the gun on the retirement villages.
Yes.
This is an underserviced market. Supply demand again.
Yes. Yeah, and this is hasn't traditionally been very institutionalized or much of a business. There are quite big businesses overseas, as they mentioned. So they're buying these what they call retirement lodges quite nicely. 5 in Johannesburg, northern suburbs, and then 1 in Plet. And currently, I think they've got about 330 residents, they call them, but the potential for growth and expansion. So yes, secondary education and very much end of life stage provision of services.
So this is almost like a circular economy, a circular economy investment.
Look, it's tiny though, that's the only thing. We don't even have a chart for it because it's only been listed for a few months and it's got a market cap of 233 million rand. I'm probably changed. That came down actually. When they announced this deal, it bounced down and bounced back up again. So it's really in its infancy.
But it could be a 10-bagger.
But it's a sign
of the future.
The fact that, and there's some other educational institutions you can see, you hear news stories about them like Spark and so on and so forth. I think what's going to happen here is we're going to have a listings boom in educational related institutions. Because it's obvious, the state, unfortunately, is not really getting its game together. It doesn't really matter what happens at the ANC's Congress. These schools that we're worried about are not going to get better anytime soon, so it's a good opportunity for the private sector.
Hot or not?
Just quickly, the Black Management Investment Fund took quite a significant stake, 15%, and capitalised it with a further 55 million rand. So,
in Pembury.
Yes, they're quite excited about it for the medium term. I think if you can pick up some scraps at lower levels with the as we mentioned, those two-pronged approach, I think it's interesting. Yeah.
Sounds like he's hot on this one.
I think so.
Hot, yes.
Hot, hot. I'm going to go and look at the pricing on this one.
I'm going to say not hot again, just on the scale and the newness issue, but who knows, maybe sometime in the